I'm Alex.
I'm Rie.
And we're here to try to make a Cheesecake Factory dish based off the menu description.
Hi, I'm Donald Moore. While Alex and Rie try to figure this out, I'm here to show you what actually goes into making one of our most classic recipes at each and every one of our restaurants.
The rules of this challenge are we have 3 clues, but don't worry, even if we mess up, we'll still have something to eat because DoorDash will be delivering the real dish at the end of the day for us to compare our recipe to. So let's get started.
All right. So today we are making bang bang chicken and shrimp.
Ooh, bang bang.
Bang bang.
Ooh, loaded baked potato tots.
That sounds very like that
Really
tasty video too.
So good. So much variety. Let's check out the cheesecakes actually. Ooh, ultimate red velvet.
Mango key lime cheesecake.
Ooh, fancy.
Okay, Alex. We have to find bang bang chicken and shrimp.
Focus.
Focus.
All right, there it is.
Okay. Bang bang chicken and shrimp.
So reading through the description, the dish sounds really good, but the description is also a little vague, and so not quite sure the exact ingredients that are gonna go in this dish. We're definitely gonna have to wing it. Maybe we should start with our first clue.
Yeah.
Oh, cards. A clue card.
Yes.
Ooh, they're emojis.
The chili pepper.
Yeah, looks like a chili pepper, a coconut,
Coconut.
salt and pepper, and peanuts.
To be honest, this didn't help me that much.
Critical to the bang bang chicken and shrimp is the curry cream sauce. We take a really good ginger that's fresh that we peel and we mince. Then we add this really sort of specific coconut milk and this curry paste. And the curry paste is all these sort of aromatics and spices. And we add all it together to make this curry cream sauce.
I feel like bang bang would have a lot of flavor, right?
Yeah.
You're not gonna have like a bang bang. It's like bang bang. Oh,
Yes.
we got our next clue. Just in
About the
time.
What? Look!
A phone.
Wait, I don't even know how to use it. We can only ask him one question and it is only yes, no. I was a little bit lost what to ask him because I had millions of questions.
Maybe we should ask if the peanut butter is in the sauce.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Who is this?
Who's this?
This is Alex and Rie.
Ah, hi, how are you? This is Donald, the Chief Culinary Officer of the Cheesecake Factory.
Cool. Well, we're such big fans of the Cheesecake Factory.
Thank you.
We're actually making one of the recipes now, the bang bang chicken and shrimp.
A super popular recipe.
And we have a question for you. So, is there peanut butter in the sauce?
There is peanut butter, that's correct. There is peanut butter in one of the sauces.
In one of the sauces.
A little hint.
Okay. Thank you so much for your help.
Our pleasure.
Okay. One of the sauces.
Okay,
There is
that
peanut butter.
means-
Well, at least we're half right. Bang bang. Let's go with 2 sauces.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring more spices.
I don't know if we're 2 steps ahead or 2 steps back, really. Have you had any thoughts about the other mystery sauce that we have to make? Maybe like a sweet, like brown sugar soy sauce?
Maybe.
One of the hidden treats of the bang bang chicken and shrimp is this spicy peanut vinaigrette. So we take this spicy peanut vinaigrette, which is a blend of seasoned rice vinegar and soy sauce and some chili and a little bit of seasoning and really good peanut flavor and fresh crushed peanuts. We blend all that up and we drizzle it over the bang bang chicken and shrimp so that you'll get this great contrast.
I didn't think it was this difficult, just like cooking by looking at the picture.
I wish we could get a couple of more pictures.
Yeah.
Can we get just like a profile, like a Tinder profile of this curry? Rie and I know how to build a curry at least, so we can kind of go with our gut on that one. But as far as getting the exact right ingredients, I know we're gonna miss a couple. We know the peanut butter's in there.
Coconut milk.
We need a redder color. We need to get, that is not the same.
Maybe this
That
is
is not the same color.
So Alex was picking this like red sauce and she was saying it's sriracha, but I tasted and sniffed it and it was buffalo sauce.
No,
really?
Of the mystery sauces.
And I don't think usually people use buffalo sauce in a Thai curry. Wait, are you serious?
There's no going
Okay,
back.
that's your call.
We have one more clue. I almost forgot. Oh, do we just get it?
We have to choose.
Oh, this. Okay,
Bigger is
so
better.
either we do this plate of a lot of things or this plate of not a lot of things.
spicy.
I'm gonna go with a lot of things,
for
right?
Sure.
Well,
1, 2,
let's
3,
just
4,
mix
5,
it up.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
Okay.
That's awesome.
We make all of our own spice mixes in our restaurants, no different from our seasoning salt that we season the shrimp for in this recipe. I take a bunch of sugar and peppers and paprikas and onions and secret spices to make this really good blend that we sort of get the shrimp really crusted with, where they get sugary and caramelized, and they have this sort of sweet heat, which adds a nice contrast to the dish.
All right, our curry's bubbling.
Shrimp comes in.
Okay.
It's a lot of shrimp.
That's a lot of shrimp. Oh, should I try to make that sauce? Put together this, little that.
Remember,
So I'm gonna make a little slurry here. Whoa. Is that right? It's like falling.
I think it might be baking soda.
I'm just gonna pour it in.
Okay. Just a little bit.
Sauce number 2.
Oh,
Some lime in
no. Looks
there.
great.
It does.
Yeah.
I'm proud of us.
The taste. Let's see. So
I love it.
Let's play.
Let's plate it.
Let me check the phone. Maybe DoorDash is almost here. They will be here in 5 minutes.
5
We
minutes,
are doing
perfect.
Great.
A little mound.
Mm-hmm.
Our mound of rice. Put it all on there. Maybe I'll just put like a little more rice on top so that it's peeking out like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take care
Wait.
of that. What?
Can I do one more?
This isn't good enough for you?
Like, this doesn't look like that.
Pretty good.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Yay.
We did it.
Okay,
I think.
cool,
Who
yeah.
knows? We'll see.
Oh. DoorDash
Has
is
it been
here.
5 minutes? Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go get it.
Okay.
Hi, here's your food.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Food is here.
Yay.
Let's see.
Moment of truth.
Wow, it's heavy and big.
Oh man.
Okay, let me play this.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Uh-oh. Wow.
Look who I found.
Hello.
How are you?
Who are you?
I'm Donald. I'm the chief
The
culinary
guy on
officer of
the
the
phone.
Cheesecake Factory. You did a great job.
Did we?
Yeah, it's pretty close.
You're very nice.
Yeah.
I'm dying to try my first curry with hot sauce in it, which
You've
is
never
awesome.
had a Thai buffalo curry
This will be a
before?
first, but maybe you've created something. Fusion.
Instagram versus reality.
All right, should we try it?
Yeah, let's
Sure.
try it.
We have to try ours first.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Peanutty, lots of chili.
Lots of peanut. I think the buffalo sauce just gives it an extra kick. You can't really tell that it's buffalo
It's
sauce.
a beautiful
Yeah.
Thai curry with a little bit of Americana buffalo in there.
Right? Fusion.
I think if you taste the difference between ours, you'll get a lot of contrast in texture.
Oh yeah. That apple really comes through.
Oh, yeah.
In a nice way. Ooh, that's really good. And the creaminess from all those layers of the sauces you were talking about.
And the bang bang comes from the heat, so you'll get a sweet bite, a spicy
yeah.
sort of bang bang, which is back and
Bang
forth.
bang, baby. That's what you want.
We have a special treat for you. Since you were awesome at this challenge, which was very complicated, there's 50 or 60 recipes and
Yeah.
techniques that go into this. We wanted to bring you something for your awesome effort.
Thank you. What is it? I think I could guess.
2 cheesecakes.
Wow!
We have a Godiva chocolate cheesecake, which actually is gluten-free and totally delicious. And we have our brand new pineapple upside down cheesecake, which is really, really good.
All for me?
No, one for me.
Well, thank you so much. We had so much fun. And if you want to try out this recipe yourself, you can order the Bang Bang Chicken and Shrimp from the Cheesecake Factory on the DoorDash app.